Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into IRS Estimated Tax, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official IRS website using your web browser. In the search bar, type IRS Estimated Tax and press enter. Locate the link for the IRS Estimated Tax Payments page. Click on the link to access the Estimated Tax section. Look for the option that says Make a Payment or Login. Select the appropriate link to log in to your account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you're a new user, click on the link to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. You will need your social security number and filing status. After entering your details, create a strong password. Confirm your password and follow any additional verification steps. Once your account is created, you'll receive a confirmation email. Return to the login page and enter your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Estimated Tax Payments section. Here, you can view your tax obligations and make payments. If you encounter any issues, check the Help or FAQ section on the site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.